Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dealt with a nightmare of having to run cables across your house or constantly taking down your security camera to charge it? You know the frustration is real. Security should be simple, right? So today we're diving into a camera that solves all that. This is the ieGeek Solar Security Camera ZS-GX4S. And this isn't just another battery camera, it's 100% wireless. It's solar panel for continuous use. It also packs a powerful 5 megapixel Ultra HD lens, along with a 360-degree view. Now that is a lot of promises. So in this video, we're going to go and unbox it and see how it performs in real life scenarios. Okay, so there's the setup, straightforward. If I can do it, you can. Now let's talk about the footage of the camera. ieGeek upgraded this model to the 5 megapixel camera, and the difference is noticeable. As you can clearly see from the daytime images, this is ultra clear. It's HD and very, very sharp, which is crucial for identifying details. But what does it look like at night? Well, this camera is equipped with the IR lights and has up to 50 feet. But here's the best part. It auto switches to colour night vision, and this makes a huge difference for night security. Of course, you download the app and there is lots of features, guys. You can control the camera, gives you a complete view with 355 degrees and 120 degrees of tilt. As you can see me approaching, I instantly get a notification to alert me that something is in view. Also has a built-in siren. You can also use the mic to speak directly to like a delivery driver.
On the package, please.
And not only can you remotely trigger a siren, you can trigger the spotlight right from the app too. So, final conclusion. What do I think of this? Well, for me, great selling points for this is convenience of it being wireless, clear video day and night, and obviously the smart detection feature. So if you're a homeowner, a renter, living with your parents, whatever, this gives you easy, reliable 24/7 coverage without all the wires. So if you want to pick up this solar security camera, I have a special exclusive discount code in the description below. Don't forget to go check it out, guys. If it's something that you're looking for, I think you will absolutely love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.